Hello everyone, this is your girl Baby Sewing Accessories. Today I want to teach you how to use this stitch guard on your overlock sewing machine. You can use it on any industrial overlock machine, be it 3-thread, 4-thread or 5-thread. For this tutorials, I'll be using it on a 5-thread sewing machine, which weaves and sews for you at the same time. The 5-thread overlock machine sews and weaves at the same time. What this stitch guard does for you is that it guides your stitches and make it straight and even, like I have on this side, instead of curved and uneven like I have on this other side. Most tailors usually experience the problem of uneven curved weaving stitches instead of these straight weaving stitches. Even some experienced tailors have that problem also. What the overlock stitch guard will do for you is to guide you to have even straight weaving stitches. It comes as a set of two, one for lightweight fabrics and the other for bulky fabrics. So if you are weaving a lightweight fabric, there is the type you use for it, and there is another type you use for a bulky fabric. So when you buy it, you are getting two as a set. You are getting a set of two. Tag along as I show you how to use it. So the first one I want to show you is the one for lightweight fabrics. So I have a chiffon fabric here that I'll be using as an example. This is how you install it. This is where you insert into your overlocker, and you set it. Depends on the amount of fabric you want it to cut off. So it depends on the amount of fabric you want it to cut off. You set it to your desired length. I'm going to insert my fabric, and this is going to guide me in the sewing. Now I have a straight even weaving, and you can remember this overlock machine weaves and sew at the same time. So I have a perfect joining. It's basically for joining. So it has joined it and it has woven it for me. So I have a perfect joining now. The next one is for bulky fabrics, and you are going to insert it the same way you inserted the one for lightweight fabric. So I've inserted this one now, and I have considered the amount of fabric I wanted to cut off. So the first fabric I'm going to weave is a calico. So I'll just put on my overlock machine, set in my fabric, and I am going to sew. The seam guard is guiding the fabric it cuts off. You can see an even cut off. You can see that this cut off is relatively even, a straight even weaving. The next fabric I'm going to test is a scuba fabric. This is a scuba fabric, and I'm just weave it, insert it onto my sewing machine. This is going to guide the amount of fabric it cuts off. So I'll just sew. And you can see I have even weaving. You can also use this on curved hems. You can use it on curved hems and it will still give you the same result, even perfect weaving. So I'm just going to insert this and I will sew. You can see that this cutoff is relatively even, and I have my curved hems perfectly sewn. This overlocker seam guide is a must-have for you if you have a weaving machine, an industrial weaving machine, which is also known as overlock machine. Be it 3 thread, 4 thread, or 5 thread, is a treasure you should have in your sewing toolbox. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Please, if you have found this tutorial very helpful, kindly like and share this post, drop a comment for us, follow us on Instagram and also on Facebook at Baby Sewing Accessories. Thank you very much for watching. Do have a lovely day.